Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting gadget for all you Pokémon Go enthusiasts out there. It's the LARSEBEI New Upgraded Pokémon Go Plus. And it's packed with features that will take your Pokémon Go experience to the next level. In this video, we'll explore its capabilities, design, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. The LARSEBEI New Upgraded Pokémon Go Plus is a game-changing accessory for Pokémon Go players. It's compatible with Nintendo DS and is designed to enhance your gameplay in two modes: manual catch and auto catch. One of the standout features is the manual catch mode, which allows you to have precise control over your catches. With the press of a button, you can manually throw Pokeballs and improve your chances of catching those elusive Pokémon. This mode gives you more interaction with the game, making it a fantastic addition for dedicated players. On the flip side, we have the auto catch mode, perfect for when you're on the go. Simply switch to this mode, and the device will automatically attempt to catch nearby Pokémon and collect items from Pokestops. It's a convenient option for players who want to multitask or save time during their Pokémon adventures. Say goodbye to constantly buying batteries. This upgraded device is USB rechargeable. It's eco-friendly and wallet-friendly, ensuring you can enjoy your Pokémon Go sessions without worrying about running out of power. Inside the package, you'll find everything you need, including an English manual for easy setup. If you have any questions or issues, rest assured that LARSEBEI provides excellent customer support. The LARSEBEI New Upgraded Pokémon Go Plus is priced at $30.99, making it an affordable addition to your Pokémon Go arsenal. Plus, it's available for fast, free shipping with Amazon Prime, so you can start using it in no time. We've also discovered some related products that could complement your Pokémon Go experience, like charging stations and additional accessories. Check out the options to enhance your gameplay even further. We've included key product information such as ASIN, item weight, manufacturer details, and more to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to consider the product's warranty and support options for added peace of mind. That wraps up our review of the LARSEBEI New Upgraded Pokémon Go Plus. Whether you're a casual player or a dedicated Pokémon Go trainer, this device offers versatility and convenience. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Thanks for watching, and happy Pokémon hunting!